Side support is an important next step after the pipe preparation and jointing. Embedment material for StormPro and StormFLO pipe should preferably be granular, free-flowing material. As StormPro or StormFLO is a flexible pipe and its strength comes from its interaction with the soil, placement of material in the haunch and side support zones is the most important part of the embedment process. Using the correct tools to haunch ensures the embedment material is pushed around the underside of the pipe, assisting with the pipe's integrity and overall system strength. Stabilising sand or CLSM can also be used as a backfill material. Placing and compacting embedment material should be placed in the following manner to ensure 1. Uniform distribution and compaction of embedment material, especially under the haunches of the pipe. 2. The material relative compaction is consistent with design. 3. Pipe distortion is minimized. 4. The pipe is not damaged. And 5. The specified pipe alignment, level and grade is maintained. The overlay zone should be a minimum of 150 mm of embedment material above pipe. Compaction should be carried at the edges of the trench, avoiding direct contact at the top of the pipe area. It is recommended to use a whacker or a vibrating tool.